Welcome back to another episode. Easy. Like part 2. You remember the last episode we did the Rincon Waterfall.
Yeah. I didn't go. Sorry.
I think people would. Nah, boy.
Sorry.
Nah, why are you sorry for?
Good.
Don't be sorry.
Fix up now. You record. You know what you're doing. Right, good.
Join me today as we do part 2 Revenge at the Falls. We go in on Paria.
Paria, though.
Big up, bad, brutal.
What you mean? I don't take on mean, take on he, you know.
This is why he's our real good friend.
I mean, bad man.
I don't know if y'all seeing that, but I mean, like, we're trying to get the last, like, you trying to? Suveer, have the camera. Oh, wait, no. Real bad landslide, boy. You see me, if I could have been my bad man self, I would have jumped over that.
Good.
Taking my bacon shark extra early this morning. Thank you. You ready for the hike? What? That's it? You're not ready for this. It's been 2 weeks since the last hike, man up. I'm joking, boy. Just try not to think about it.
It is a
Dead
legit
snake thing,
though.
boy. It is legit. Move your foot from there, boy. Is that a real snake, boy? Right there. It's dead. Is that a real thing, Kevin?
What's the snake?
What's up, ready? You kind of seeing it. If you actually, as if the trees and thing wasn't there, no? But the tree looking real nice. I honestly just can't get over how nice the tree looking. Look at that coaster. Really? You gotta be able to sprint up these things, you know. Is the fact that he's doing light movements on the rock not helping you to avoid trouble? Light movements on hard rock, gentle movements on soft ones. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty though. I actually don't mind the inclines on the cycle. This house, dog, I can't get over how the lights are looking on this thing. I don't know, the lights and making the scenery all look nice.
The scenery is nice. Drop the phone and use it.
I using both, boy.
Yeah, I definitely.
Hey, bro.
Whoa. This is not the end, but I like the track so far. Scruffles are Pioneer twins, boy. Like so far, boy.
Good.
It better than the other one?
We have more to do.
So I don't care. This one better. How do you find this one? How do you find this one going so far? He think he better than. He think we physics students better than the enviro students. Yeah, we better, boy. High side, boy. How that feeling in your foot, boy? Feel nice. The side dancing. She's thinking smart, she's sitting down. Real thing action here. And now the hardest part begins. The return of Rincon.
Okay, good. What's it on a rope running, but
You see what I mean when I say this is Revenge of the Falls? Hey, wait, but there's an easier way to go around though.
yes, slide down.
No, boy.
Take out coconut leaf.
Path number 1 accomplished. The challenging trail for serious hikers only. I don't care, boy. Of course.
Gibbs, man.
I actually might want to fall, boy. Makes my hard back. You want to climb a tree, so let me climb this one. You know exactly what you're filling up with. Never take the treacherous path, people. No matter how beautiful the scenery. Son, once you start, you don't turn back, otherwise you're a coward.
True, see your fighters.
Kevin, throw your phone, my boy. Check that stuff out. I take back everything I said earlier. It was totally worth it to come here. All of that, boy. Dosey boss, what do you think?
Alright.
Woo! You want a badass picture? And I across the side.
Yeah, and this salt was not here.
This is the beach where turtles is what? Leatherback turtles.
Paria.
Of course, that makes sense because we go into the Paria waterfall.
Sometimes you see the eggs on the shore.
Hopefully you only see turtles on the shore. One day, we need to come personally with our boat and just enjoy this beach. Finally have arrived. Boss, how you find it was? You find so? That waterfall looked amazing, but I can't jump off of that. It only have 2 hikes left and I feel like so I go jump the second one because I did it before. How you find it was? Anything you're gonna do here now? Here we are back again. I want to buy that island and live on it. It took forever, but we're finally back at this point. And the adventure continues. Back again, but I already got my food. I done. Later, suckers. Alright, guys, and that was the hike. I mean, like, it was very fun and all that. But there's a couple of lessons to be learned. And I mean, like, I just want to give you all, before I go, some tips on hiking, or at least preparing to hike. Number 1, always be hydrating. Yeah, it's like that I ripped off that line from SpongeBob. But it takes a lot of water. When we did the Paria hike, I used like about 3 bottles alone to go up. I ran out of water not even before we reached the waterfall. And I have to pilfer off of somebody else, and then, well, you know, at least the water was a bit fresh at the stream, and then I filled up my bottles and I went back with that. But it was very tough without water, and I mean, like, I'm just grateful to the guys who lent me water for that hike. But number 2, pack lights. This was something I had learned in the Rincon episode. I had carried like about a backpack. It had clothes and stuff in it. It had my food. It had the water bottles and some stuff on my phone. I realized that half the stuff in the bag I didn't need, and it was weighing me down. So this time I went with something around this size. Probably a little bigger or a little sturdier than this. It's not the exact bag, but I'm like, there are similar sizes. It wasn't a backpack, it was more of a strap-on. So I just carried my food, some bottles of water, that was it. Because we didn't need the clothes until the very end when we came back by the Maxis, and then we just used that nearby river to bathe in and wash off. Make sure you know what you need for the hike. Speaking of need, number 3, wear clothes that could kind of armor you. This is something that happened in this episode and I didn't record it, but a few people only 2 people actually know about this. Everybody else treated it like as if I was joking. I didn't know. That was the exact reason why I didn't go to school the very next day. I hit my leg on the trail, and well, I thought I could have slept it off. I didn't sleep it off, but the pants I was wearing was very thin, and I think it could have been avoided if I had worn something a little thicker. But anyway, my leg was hit. I hit against a rock by accident. It hurts right now. So I have some kind of like little rest kind of thing. But always armor yourself however you see fit. You know. Because the pants I was wearing was too thin. I think I could have done better by wearing something a little bit thicker, but then I was also thinking about the water, and the material for the pants was perfect, but I guess how to put it? There you but I guess necessity, whatever you want to say it as, or what you value about other stuff. Number 4, if you have options and you know your trail, if you know you cannot handle the hard trail, do not go on the hard trail. In this episode, there was also, when we went by the rock, we had the choice of either going to the rock or taking the shorter, easier way to go to the waterfall, but we'd boycott the rock entirely. I was one of the few who went to the rock. Yeah, if you didn't notice, the footage was from the rock. And that was a very hard hike, and I don't know if I could have made it, but I did make it. But there were other people who probably couldn't have made it, and we had to support them. But know your limits, and I guess that's one of the reasons why I'm not going to the Paria hike, because I don't think I can handle it, and I have exams the next day. And now for the final tip. Number 5, don't forget to have fun. Lord Royal Highness SpongeBob. I probably pulled quite my fair share of SpongeBob references in this video. But it was fun. I enjoyed myself. And what else does there to say, man? Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to stick around for the next video. on another episode of Hashtag Vlogs.